students, grade 3, good morning. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine, safe and healthy today. Same with Miss Happy also here. I'm fine, safe and healthy too. Well, welcome back to our class again through this Google Classroom. And today Miss Happy will going to explain to all of you about our lesson today, so we can continue our lessons before. Okay, well, last week we had learned about plants, part of the plants, types of leaves, and many more. So today Miss Happy will going to explain about to all of you about the parts of the trees and also plants that we grow for food, or plant parts that we can eat. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, but before that, Miss Happy want to ask you first. Anybody can mention some example of trees, or have you ever seen trees before? Yeah, very good. There are many thousand types of trees in this world. Some of the trees can be very, very tall and big. For example, like baobab tree. And others also. Okay, can you mention some example other of the trees? Yeah, like that usually you can see like orange tree, mango tree, banana tree, and etc. Okay, well today Miss Happy will going to explain to all of you first about the part of the trees. Okay, in front of you now, Miss Happy already draw one tree here. Okay, can you see it? Okay, now we're going to mention all the parts. Okay, this one is the roots. Okay, this is the roots of the trees. As you know that the roots is very useful for plants, so it can take in water from the soil. And the next one is stem. Okay, you need to remember the stem of the tree is also called trunk. Okay, and the next is branch. Okay, branches or branch. Okay, that is for the main parts of the tree. Well, trees may have flower and also have fruits. And the fruits can be used for human and animals as a food. Okay, well students, now we are going to learn about what plants that can be eaten or can be eaten by human and animals. Okay, human and other animals usually or often use the plants as food, and the trees as well, because trees also produce fruits. Okay, well, sometimes the plants we can eat, but sometimes we cannot. The plants that we can eat is called the edible plants. Okay, so what is edible plants? Edible plants, it means that plants that we can eat. Okay, sometimes they are non-edible. Non-edible plants, it means that plants that we cannot eat. Okay, next, what parts of the plants is edible or it can be eaten by us? What parts of the plants? Sometimes we can eat the stems of the plants. Okay, the leaves of the plants, the roots of the plants, the flower of the plants, and the fruits of the plants. So when we learned last week about the parts of the plants of the plant is not only useful for its plants, but also for us. Okay, sometimes we can eat the stems, sometimes the leaves, the roots, the flowers, and the fruits. Now we're going to explore more about what are some examples of the stems of the plants that we can eat. The stems of the plants that we can eat. Anybody knows? Okay, what are the example of the stems of the plants that we can eat? Yeah, very good. For example, like celery, asparagus, fennel. Good. I thought some of you ever consume this or ever eat this before. Okay, now we are going to, for example, tadi celery, and many more. Next, we're going to the leaves. Okay, what leaves are edible? Okay, what kind of leaves are edible? Anybody knows? Yeah, very good. For example, like spinach, kale, cabbage, lettuce, and etc. Okay, well, I thought some of you also ever consume spinach, yeah, before. Okay, now next we are going to roots. What kind of roots of the plants are edible or we can eat? Anybody knows? Okay, very good. For example, like carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, and many more. For example, like carrot, yeah. Okay, I thought some of you also ever consumed it before. Now next, we're going to flower. What flower are edible? Anybody knows? Yeah, very good. For example, like broccoli, cauliflower, and etc. Okay, next for the last is fruits. What kind of fruits that we can eat? Or what kind of fruits are edible? Yeah, very good. For example, like mango, orange, banana, star fruits. I thought all of you ever consume so many kind of fruits. Well, students, that is a simple explanation to all of you about our lesson today. I hope you can understand. If you have any questions about our lesson, you can chat and comment in our forum, and Miss Happy will answer to all of you. And also Miss Happy will give you some questions in our forum, so please participate. Miss Happy will ask you about the topic or our lesson today. So please participate, yes students. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next meet. Hope you enjoy and bye.